Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishika and welcome to another Savannah haul. And this time around I have got a bunch of dresses which is so appropriate for birthday, and one of which I personally wore on my birthday. So I love all of these dresses and these are so birthday appropriate or any like party appropriate dresses you can say. So without any more further ado, let's directly jump into the video. Okay, coming to the first dress, it is this dress that I wore on my intro and I just love this, and this is the only short length dress, and this is a block pencil dress which is in this very beautiful pink color. There's one more color option in this particular dress and the material is really kind of different. I've never seen any dress use such fabric, but as I've checked the website, they have mentioned that this fabric is polyester. So maybe it's polyester, I'm not aware about that. And there we have got 6 pearl kind of a button which has got gold detailing and it looks super beautiful. And this is very different, okay? The vibe of this dress is very different. It looks so chic and I felt so comfortable wearing this dress, and the sleeves are so puffy and it's got this elasticated band over here. Because of this elasticated band, this got a very frill kind of an effect in the edge and it looks super good. Even the neck is very different. Here you have got this white color tie-up thing and you can make it into a bow and it looks so good. And backside is pretty simple. It's the normal pink color fabric and here you have got a very good quality zip which opens up till here, so it's very easy to put on and there's no such hassle in wearing this dress. So if you're a girl who is okay with this kind of a length dress, so this is a very good pick because it's very different. And I just love this kind of a dress because it is like the event kind of a dress or like birthday kind of a dress. Everybody will ask you that where you got this dress from, and I personally really love this dress and it is really comfortable and breathable. So this is the reason I got this dress and wore it in my intro, because this is the perfect dress for my birthday intro. And the prices will fluctuate because the actual price is different, as there is this special kind of a discount on certain price range over in Savannah. So the original price plus the price that I got the dress and the size of the dress will be mentioned over here in the screen. This is how this first dress looks like and I'll give it a thumbs up because this is one of my favorite dress of this haul. Coming to the next dress, this is the next dress and this is the dress that I wore on my birthday, and this is like the dress that I wanted for my birthday, and I guess many of you will like this dress because already I have got many DMs asking for the link of this dress. So here I go with the haul. So you can directly check the description box to get the link of this dress. This is an A-line dress and the length is very long, so it will reach like below your knees. So it is very comfortable. If you don't go for short dresses, this dress will definitely be one of the dress that you will definitely like. The sleeves of this dress is sleeveless. Obviously this got this beautiful straps which is adjustable, and that's the best thing about it, that it is adjustable. There are many dresses which are not adjustable and it gets very difficult to manage those dresses. So this is the dress and it is in this very beautiful butter yellow color, and if you know, like, this is the color of me that I wanted this year because my whole vision board is butter yellow, and this dress is the only reason that I made my whole vision board butter yellow, because I wanted to get this dress on my birthday and I did it. And this is the best decision that I made. Like, it's so beautiful, it's so flowy. Here we have got a lot of gheras. Like, this dress will look like it's very lightweight dress, but no, it is quite heavy because it has got a lot of ghera, as you can see here. And I'll provide like the clip of me trying on this dress and it looks super good. Even the bust area is very different. The stitching pattern is really different and makes the dress stand out. I love this dress and the fit of the dress and everything about this dress, because this dress is like flawless and there's no such like complaints about this dress. It has got like this very thick lining inside and it is not at all see-through. The quality of the cloth is really good. It's polyester but it is not at all harsh to the skin. It's very comfortable and appropriate for this summer. Okay, I need to mention one thing is that the material is also quite different. Like, as you can see here, there's like this vertical stripe kind of a detailing in the dress which makes the dress look very different, because plain yellow color fabric will not look so great how this fabric is looking. So this is also one of the reasons this dress looks so elegant and so good. Yeah, so good. So this is the next dress, and this is the dress that my sister wore on my birthday, and this is also in the same color, butter yellow. And this was the like thing that I wanted to do, like my sister and me twinning and my papa and my mama twinning. So she also wore the same color dress, but the dress is little different. It is a very beautiful bodycon dress which has got this slit in the bottom, but the slit is not that vivid because it like closes like this, so your only little portion of the leg will only come out of this dress. So this is a very modest kind of a dress, you can say. The cloth feels so comfortable. It is a very comfortable kind of a material. Let me just check it out. It is written that it is polyester, but it is definitely going to be certain kind of a mix of polyester, so it feels very comfortable. Firstly, the neck part is so beautiful. It is a square neck dress with the sleeve of this dress is sleeveless, but it is a little on the thicker side. It is not a thin strap, and from back side it is like normal. And here in the waist part, as you can see here you have got this very beautiful wave kind of a design which you can see properly in the try on to understand how this dress is. And the price was also so inexpensive. Savannah just nailed it with the quality and the price point of view, and that's the reason I told my sister to get this. Obviously, we even got this particular bodycon dress for my sister because it is also in the same shade. It is also yellow, but this dress has a lot of fitting issues because I personally wear small size and my sister wears medium. We got this dress in the size medium, yet I was not able to fit in that dress. My sister was not able to wear that dress because it was so cinched. Then we thought we would return that dress because there's no exchange process in the Savannah app. So we returned that dress and we reordered the same dress in large size, but the large size was super large that it will fall down and it was not giving a very good fit like a bodycon should. So we returned even that one, and finally we found this dress, and I guess this is the best because that dress was a different kind of a shade of yellow, but this is also butter yellow. My dress is also butter yellow, so I think this was like God's sign that that dress is not meant for my sister, and this was the perfect match. Now moving on to the next dress. The dress that I'm wearing is also from Savannah, and it is a very different kind of a dress. First of all, it is sleeveless and the sleeves has no adjustment, so it's quite difficult to handle. I am just like adjusting the sleeves every now and then. And the neck design is little different, like as you can see here, it's little curved kind of a design, and here in the whole dress it is a kind of tie-dye effect, blue, dark blue, white kind of a tie-dye effect going on in the whole dress. And this dress has got this thread works, as you can see in the try-on wherever I have attached it. So this dress is looking so good. It is so appropriate for birthday as well as for vacations because it looks so good, and it has got a slit in the backside. I am not able to show you that now because I am wearing this dress, of course. The material of this dress is polyester, but it feels super comfortable, and as now I can see the sizes are also going out of stock because it is a very beautiful shade of blue, and it will look so beautiful if you do an outdoor birthday or if you go to vacations, I'm damn sure. So this is one of the dresses that you can get for vacation. Length of this dress is a midi kind of a dress, so it will reach below your knees, so the length is very good. So this is the next dress, and it is a satin dress. This is also an A-line dress, and it has got this zip in the back side. And as you can see, it is a sleeveless dress, okay, but the length is long, like it will reach below your knees. It has got a slit, and here in the waist area we have got this wavy kind of a design wherein all the pieces of this cloth has attached, and it looks so good. The stitching is super good and it looks so classy. The material is satin, if I have not mentioned already. This is very beautiful purple color dress, and it is a bodycon dress. It fits so well. The price is very reasonable. You will not get such dresses in other websites in this price point of view. So I really love Savannah for the dresses collection plus the price of the dresses because it's super reasonable. And now let's move on to the last dress of this haul. So the last dress is not actually a dress, it is a cord set, and actually I was thinking of wearing this particular cord set on my birthday because it is also in the same shade, but it's a bodycon cord set and I wanted something very flowy for my birthday, so I went for that particular dress. Now let me show you this dress cord set. So this is how this top looks like. It is this strappy kind of a top, and it has not got this adjustable thingy here, and the dress is fully net, so be careful if you are a very heavy busted girl. This is not the thing for you. But this is how this top looks like. Here we have got this stitching which makes it very cinch and very like wavy kind of a dress, and it looks so good. But one thing about this dress, here in the inside, only for the front portion you get this very thin material, but for the back side you get only this much length. So definitely this will not cover anything up, and you have to wear boob tape for sure, or else it will be very like, if you purchase this coat set you have to wear boob tape. Okay, so this is how the top looks like. Now let's see how the skirt looks like. So this is like a petticoat kind of a skirt, to be precise, like the bodycon petticoats, but obviously it's not that, right? So this is how this skirt is. It is normal plain yellow color skirt, very long skirt, so it will cover whole of your leg, so you don't need to worry about it. It has got this elasticated waist, so it will fit very well in your waist. And by the way, it is a high waist skirt, okay? So this is very long. It looks so good. If you pair both of this top and this skirt, it looks so good. But just be careful with the top part because it is little very dangerous. Wear your inner garments well if you get this particular cord set, and it's very beautiful because obviously it is in the color yellow. It is super beautiful. The material of this cord set is again polyester, but it is super comfortable. So we come towards the end of this particular video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this particular video because it is a birthday dresses haul, and many people asked for the dress link that I wore. So I thought many people's birthday is approaching, so why not I give suggestion to people about their birthday dresses options. So if you like this video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. Till then, bye.